today we're looking at this ukulele that I got my daughter. You know, she and I don't know how to play, but we got one just so we can learn. And we're a beginner. We like the case. You can hold it on the side here. You have a shoulder strap. And as you can see, we'll open it up to show you what it looks like inside. So this is a nice, it's a smaller version of the ukulele. And so it's good for her, fits her well for the size. It also comes with like a strap here that you can attach, a cleaning cloth, a tuner, and some extra strings if they break. And you also have some picks. Yeah. So that's this is what it looks like up close. And you can tune the sides. That's what the back looks like. And the material.
Whoa.
Yeah, you can hear that it's out of tune. So it didn't come that way, but my daughter, you know, she spins all these and touches everything, so it made it out of tune.
I make it better.
Yeah, I make it better? Okay, here. Let me see. Okay, let's play. Can you hold it and play?
Little finger, where are you? I love my ukulele.